Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. So let's solve a Leetcode question today. So I have taken the question to sum. It's an easy question to begin with. Let's go to the question description. Given an array of integer nums and an integer target, return the indices of two numbers such that they add up to the target. Okay, then what else we have to consider? You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution and you may not use the same element twice. Okay, not bad. Okay, so what we have to do is we have given an array of nums. So we need to check which all elements in the nums can be added up to get the target. But we have to return the index of that elements. Okay, indices of the elements should be returned as an answer. Let's start coding. So before we actually start writing our code, I always like to plan ahead, like plan the procedure just to make sure that I don't get stuck in between. So what all we have to consider? I need to follow up with index of the element and the element in the array, right? Because I need to check if those elements are added up to the target, and I need to return the index of that elements. So what can we use to follow up with both of the index and element? It's simple. Let's use enumerate. So for all the people who don't know enumerate can be used to like iterate through both the index and the element in the array. I'm using I for I comma x. I indicate the index of the element and x is the actual element in enumerate. It's not that complicated. It's just instead of iterating through the elements, we are also iterating through the index. In what? We are enumerating the nums, and also we need to get the second element and its index, right? So for j comma y, because we need another variable for it, in enumerate nums. Okay, here in the question it's given as you may not use the same element twice. So if we got the same index, that is I is equal to j, what we have to do? We have to skip that part, just continue. Then coming to the important point, if x plus y is equal to target, then we know that we got the answer. What you have to do, just return an array consisting of the index of those elements I comma j. What if we didn't get any elements which add up to the target? Just return an empty array. Let's see how this code runs. Oh, sorry, typo. Enumerate. Yeah, let's see. Let's run that again. Yay! We got the answer. So that wasn't that tough. Thank you for watching this video with me. Make sure you guys subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my future coding sessions. See you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.